Okay, so yesterday when I run this, okay, I was getting error because here we have written a loop, right?
Yeah.
Header 1 to less than equal to 9. Okay, so we wrote 9 means maximum 9 times it has to loop. Okay,
Yeah.
but what it is happening in between, before 9 loop only we found that November month. So further I don't want to run that, but for that what we have to do, we have to stop it. Okay, for that we have to break the for loop. Is that clear?
Yes.
So we have to just add a break.
Break.
So it has selected 11 November 20th. So but still we can see the message. So okay. So if we go here, this is our for loop. Okay, so this is our for loop, right? So here, so else once it is for loop, we'll break here. So this is for one, this is for, this is else. If
Yeah.
so, we will break here. Okay, we will run this. So yesterday's concept is clear to everyone, right?
Yeah. Yes.
Okay.
It is okay, sir. I think we have to check the current date. It is showing the current date is equal to our system date. We have to check that also, right?
Current date, sorry.
The default date.
Uh-huh.
It shows some June default date. It shows some June. Today is 15th June, right?
Correct.
So we have to check if it is validating our current system
Yeah,
date.
you can write whatever you want. You can write, no problem.
Okay.
Yeah, you can try to get the text of this and then you can validate.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, fine. So this is clear, right, to everyone?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Fine.
Yes.
So wherever system.out.println is there, if you comment that, you will not get this output. Okay. Okay, fine. So now, so till now it's clear. Now we are going to look into a concept. 1 minute. So till now we were looking into. I'm just going back to the drop downs. Okay, we have looked into static drop downs. These are all static drop downs. Static drop downs means the values remains. The values. Okay, the value remains. Okay. So now I want to make it dynamic. I will show you dynamic. Okay.
Okay.
1 minute. What is dynamic? So this is static. When I go here, you can see all these values always it remains. Okay, that is static. When I go to dynamic, see now here we are having from and to. Yes. So
Yeah.
here if I place, I'm getting the values. Okay. Upon search, the values are also changing. Yes or no?
Yeah.
So you have to enter some value and then you have to read all these and then you have to click on some value. Is it clear what I'm trying to make it here? So this is called auto suggestive also. What?
Auto
Suggestive.
Auto suggestive. Okay. This is called
Auto suggestive.
exactly. Okay. Auto suggestive means what?
When we enter a value,
Uh-huh.
by taking the value, it gives some appropriate relative data.
Whatever we type, it selects accordingly with that.
Okay. So whatever we type, it will be trying to search based on that. Okay.
Mhm.
Fine. Okay, so based on the search, it will be based on the values, whatever we type, the search values also will vary. It will not be same always.
Yeah.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So for that, now we will look into this. Okay. So I will go and access this URL. Is it clear? Know what we are going to look the concept?
Yeah.
Okay. To suggestive drop down. Auto suggestive means whenever you are typing something, it will suggest. You don't need to type everything. Okay, it will automatically suggest. Clear?
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. So now I will take this. And okay, fine. So now here I'm changing the URL. I'm not going to open Book Spice. Now I'm going to open this time Air India. Okay. So here in Air India. So first what we are trying to do in Air India, we will try to.
Open the URL.
So we will try to send the keys here. Okay. Yeah, it's opening the URL. Then what we have to do, we have to try to send some value here. Okay.
Okay. Yes.
Okay, fine. So for example, from here, I will give some value. Any value I can give. Okay, I will give this GAU and select a Gauhati. Okay.
Okay.
Any value you can give. So first for that, what I have to do, I have to search this, find this from field. Then only I can enter some values there. So here you see, this is the input value for that particular field. Is there ID?
Yeah.
ID is there? Yeah, ID is from. Okay. So whenever there is ID, we can directly use that ID. Driver dot find element by dot ID from. Okay.
Yeah.
Dot
Send keys.
send keys. And then here I will be giving GUA. Okay. GW. Go GAU. Okay.
GAU.
GAU. So when I give GAU, it is giving me some result. Okay. So it result may vary. Okay. So now it is 3. Tomorrow it may become 2, 4, 5. We don't know. Okay.
Okay.
Fine. So now when I enter, it will come. Now what you have to do after entering this value?
We have to read how many corresponding values have come based on our search.
So whenever I try this, okay, I'll be getting these 3 options. Okay, then I have to tell to driver, enter this GAU, and then you read all the 3 options and then click on Gauhati.
Yeah.
We don't know Gauhati in which position. It might be in first position, second, third, fourth, fifth. We don't know. So it has to read all the options. Then whatever option is matching to Gauhati, it has to go and click on that. Okay, so for that we have to find these 3 elements uniquely. Yes or no? So we need to write a XPath where it can find these 3 elements. Okay, we'll try to find. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, yes.
Yeah, so I'm just going right clicking on this inspect. So now if you see here,
Plus.
no. So here there is Guwahati, India. Yes or no?
Yeah.
So
Yes.
there is. So first we will try to find the 3 blocks. No, no. So this is one. Yeah. So
Okay.
this is airport list card. So this is one class row due. This is the value class. Okay. If we give this what it is coming. 1 minute, I'll just try. You at the rate class is equal to. So 3 elements we are getting. See, so I took the parent. Okay. So here I'm taking airport list card ng. Okay. So how many I'm getting?
3.
3. Okay. So even I can use here contains. Everyone following, right?
Yes.
Yes.
So whenever you want something multiple values, then we have to take its parent. Okay.
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 Okay. So here I got 3. So using this, I can navigate till here. Okay. So I can use slash, for example, slash div
6.
slash div. Okay, or we used to give like this also. Don't know why it is not highlighting. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4. No, no, we are not getting element. Div 6 elements. Div of 4. No matching. Okay. So we are define row airport country detail. 1 minute. I'm just taking this. Okay. To see. Because we want to try to find a unique. Okay. Then so I'm getting 3. Okay. So using this, we can find that unique. Okay. So we can read these values and then we can iterate. Yes or no?
Okay.
Is that clear what I'm trying to do here?
So when we enter some text in from box, it's showing only 3 for now. If we enter some A or B, try to show us if there is more than 3.
Sorry, can you repeat?
If it shows more than 3 options, so how can we
See
find?
now see, now it gave you 3 options.
Yeah.
Okay, so it is selecting 3.
Yeah.
Okay, if it is 10, it will show you.
Okay.
Yeah, because
Okay.
for example,
After showing, we
I will
have to.
make G A. See, now many are there, right? Yes or no?
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah. So now if I go and click on enter, see,
Okay. Oh, okay.
based on our value, whatever we enter,
Mhm.
okay, it will select.
Oh, okay.
Fine.
Yeah.
Okay, so if we go here, okay, we can take this. Okay, so list card. Okay, whatever we have given, country details or list. So country details is inside this. Okay, so we will try to find using this country details. Now what we have to do, we have to, okay, so now we are getting this element GAU, and then we have to save these values. Yes or no?
Yeah.
So where we will save these values?
In a web element.
In a web element. Okay, so
Mhm.
after this, what we will do, dot, then driver dot find web element or web elements
Elements. And elements.
by dot xpath.
Expert.
So here we will save this into a value.
Okay.
Okay, so this will be, for example, from options is equal to, and then this is a web element. How to find that? If I go here, it will give me list web element, so I can just directly use that.
Instead of that, we can click on that value. It will automatically gives us.
Yes, yes, it will automatically show us what type
Yeah.
of data type it will accept. Okay, so
Okay.
here now I want to iterate, right?
Yeah.
To get all the values. Okay, so for that I can write enhanced for loop for, so this is the option actually where everything is there. Then I will use colon, and then I will use, for example,
Mhm.
each place something. Okay, some variable, sorry.
And web
Okay, so now, and it is
element.
web element, so I can just copy from here and I can place here and again space. Okay, so now this
Print.
is having single. Okay,
Yeah.
without println, I can give this value. So shall we run this and see what happens?
Yeah.
Yes.
Ah.
Dot get text.
Dot get text.
Okay, we did mistake. 1 minute, I will stop after execution. So it is typing.
JIN.
No, it is not trying to get the right, because we did mistake like dot get text. So it is giving us the element. Okay.
Dot get text. It is a string, right?
Yeah, fine. We are just printing, right? So
Yeah. Okay. But it. Okay.
you will see. Okay.
Yeah.
See, this is element. Okay.
Mhm.
When it's saving, it will save that element to this. So now for this element, we are trying to do get text.
Get text. Yeah.
You'll see. Okay. So if I go here, we are getting error. What is that error?
Mm.
Element not found, it's telling. Okay. Okay. See, now I will debug. Okay. So whenever some error comes, we no need to worry, we can debug, okay, to see why it is failing. So I'll run as we'll just close this all windows and then I will debug as. So I will just pressing F6. See, it is reading or not? But what is happening? It is reading all the values. But here it is not having all the values. But it is reading all values. Okay. I'll just stop this XPath. I'm just trying to find one more element if possible. Okay. It's deeper, deeper. Okay. Because here it is automatically after typing, it is going right. Something, it was very fast thing. Something was happening. Just debug once again and see. So now I want to make it, I will just give it here, breakpoint when we are entering and see what happens. Debug as, because the application action is very fast when we're doing in Selenium. Okay, so we'll give some. Okay. So now I will just minimize this to see the difference. Now there are only 3 values, right? Okay, but after some time it is changing. Now again it got changed back, right?
Yes.
Okay. So what I will do, I will just give thread dot. I'm just giving thread dot sleep. I will explain you this why. Okay. I'm just running now. We'll see. See, yes or no?
Yes.
Yeah. So why I gave thread dot sleep is, for example, now if you come and refresh this page, okay. So when I take this, okay, when I enter this value, it is taking few seconds to refresh. If you observe clearly, okay, it is taking few seconds. See, it is taking some seconds, right? Yeah. Even if you don't want to give 3 seconds, at least you can give 1 second. It is taking time, right, to update.
Yes.
If you see here, for example, something. Okay, so because it is changing based on the values I enter. When I'm entering GAU, so it will be changing randomly. Okay, background will, the change will be happening in background. So what I'm doing, I'm just telling, hey, sleep for 1 minute. Okay, means it will be ideal for 1 second. Sorry, this is millisecond. Okay, so I'm telling the driver to just wait for 1 second before reading all the list. Okay, why I'm telling him to wait for 1 second means I want to read the values. Okay, because it is taking some time to give me the search result. based on the value. See, when I'm entering GAU, based on the each value, it will be trying to search and find me the result. Okay. Is that clear why I'm giving a thread.sleep?
Yes.
Because when I enter G, my search values will be different. When I enter once again A, the search value will be different. When I enter U, the search value will be different. Okay.
Okay.
So I'm just giving 1 second wait, so that if I remove this 1 second, it will not get proper result. Okay. So wherever sometimes we can give this sleep. Okay. Wherever is needed, you feel. Why I'm feeling here is because the search is taking some fraction of seconds to give us the options. Okay. Based on the value, whatever we enter. See, if you see first there are many lists and it is taking some fraction of seconds to update to this list. Did you observe?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, because of that. Okay. So I'm telling, hey driver, after entering this value, just wait for 1 second and then read the values. In that 1 second, it is updating actual list. Okay. So now from here, what we have to do, we have to write one more condition. Okay. If each